Good morning, everyone. Let us wait for another 30 seconds or 1 minute and let's start the webinar. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Prevail with the William O'Neill India. So, today is April 4th. And before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So, and come to the first slide where US market and Asian market, how they have performed yesterday. So US market has been a little bit of ups and downs where Dow Jones has been closed on a negative note. S&P and Nasdaq has closed on the positive note. And there are some comments from the Jerome Powell, US Federal Reserve, about inflation and interest rates. And come to the European market has been closed on the positive note, and Asian market has been trading on the positive note, except Hong Kong market. So it's down around 1.22%. Come to the key news. US market has been ended flat. However, US futures are trading at higher level, and Dow Jones have ended closed on a third straight session on the negative side. So that's a bit worried. And also, Powell comments on inflation rate, where he said that they need a more proof to on the softer inflation to reduce the to cut the rate cuts in this upcoming year. So that is the comments on Jerome Powell regarding inflation and rate cuts. And yesterday, US market has reported economic data like composite PMI and services PMI, and both are slightly down from the estimates. So PMI is finally at 52.1%. On month to month, it's down around from 52.5. So estimate was around 52.2. And US markets, ISM's as services PMI has been down around 51.4, estimate of 52.4. And come to the domestic market, windfall tax, where government of India has hiked on crude oil, where from 4,900 to 6,800 tons per tons. And Vodafone Idea to consider raising up to 2,775 crores from promoters entities on April 6th. And Aster DM Healthcare completes the separation of Indian and Gulf business, where it is both separated. And come to the Union Bank of India, DIFC Dubai branch takes a syndicate term loan up to $500, including $100 million for a green shoe. And NSE has introduced 4 new indexes from April 8th onwards, which includes Nifty Tata 25 fund and multi-cap manufacturing as well as infrastructure and mid-small healthcare segment. They have their new indexes have been likely to introduce from April 8th. So that is coming to from next week, Tuesday. And come to the business updates. DMart has been given a standalone revenue grew around 20% YOY to 12,300 around 12,400 crore in Q4 last year. And Federal Bank advances grew around 20% and deposit grew around 19%, which is a very good number. And RBL Bank has deposit went up around 22% YOY and 12% quarter, and advances up around 19% in the last year compared to the last year. And Angel One broking firm has reported its business update, where Q4 client base is up around 61.5% YOY and 14.3% quarter-over-quarter at around 2.22 crores. So that's the domestic market updates. And come to the derivative data, Nifty PCR is stands at 0.85, and maximum call OI is placed around 22,500 and 23,000 level, and put OI is placed around 22,000 and 22,100. So that simplifies the data where Nifty 50 chart, where if you see this Nifty 50 chart from the last 3-4 months, especially from the after Jan 15th onwards, it's trading in this particular range. That range is around 200-300 points of range. This is the same chart of Nifty 50. So it's trading in this particular upward sloping parallel channel. So right now it's trading in this particular range. And also if you see from last four trading session, where it has bounced from the this upward sloping lower parallel channel, and it's facing some strong resistance around 22,500. It's crossing that 22,500 level, but failing to hold above that level and closing below this. So that is happening from the last 4 days, 4 trading session. So 22,500 is a crucial level for the Nifty 50, where if it holds above that 22,500 level, then we might see some more upside towards 22,600, 700 kind of level in Nifty 50. On the downside, immediate support is placed around 22,300 300 kind of level, where major 300 350 kind of major support level for Nifty 50 on an intraday basis, and failing to hold above that 350 300 kind of level. So we might see some more volatility and some profit booking likely to happen, and it might retest that 22,250 200 kind of level in the next couple of days. So that's it from my side in today's webinar, this morning session. And I would like to invite you all for today's evening session, where in detail we will discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as other major key indexes, and we'll see how the major indexes likely to perform in the next 1 month or so. So I would like to invite you all for that session. So thank you for joining this session. Thank you.